Halo, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Senang sekali bisa ada di depan teman-teman semua virtually. Nama saya Syah Rizal Hamdallah. Saya alumni UII Ekonomi Internasional tahun 1998. Terima kasih buat pertanyaan-pertanyaannya dan saya akan jawab dengan pertanyaan yang pertama. Why I chose UII as my universities back in 1998. Thank you for your question. It's kind of like flashback sedikit. Alasan saya masuk UII cuma satu kali itu, I had a big dream to live abroad, to study abroad, and to just explore the world. Dan saya pengen kuliah yang memiliki kapasitas internasional. Dan gak banyak saat itu. And I decided to take a look at universities across the nation, and I found that UII offered international program. So discussed with my dad, and he said, why not? So I applied, I took all the tests, and I got accepted. And since then, I never regret my decision. I was very happy. I had great friends, great lecturers, and Jogja was awesome. So yeah, that was my reason why I joined UII. What was the environment back when I was in college, and what I liked the most from UII? Good question. I think Jogja is like mini Indonesia. So UII was able to bring that environment to the campus, and I have a lot of friends until today that we're still connected dari berbagai pelosok Indonesia, and that was amazing karena kebetulan saat itu saya SMA di Bogor dan pindah ke Jogja yang mungkin belum pernah bertemu dengan sebanyak orang, para pemuda-pemudi dari across the country di satu tempat. Disitulah saya bisa ketemu dari Sumatera, dari Kalimantan, dari Jawa, dari Nusa Tenggara Timur, Barat, bahkan Sulawesi dan Papua. It was just fantastic. You met so many different people with different background. It's very diverse, and we had so much fun. A lot of nostalgia, if you will. Orangnya baik-baik dan sangat fokus sama kuliah, tapi juga having fun. A lot of great memories that mungkin teman-teman juga akan dapetin selama kuliah di UII. But on top of that, those memories last forever. Those memories that created the bonding between each of us. Dan walau udah lama lulus dari UII, tapi bonding itu tetap terasa sampai sekarang. So that was the moment and experience that I had during my time in UII. So I'm very grateful about that. Thank you again. Well, thank you for your questions, or actually a compliment. Yes, I was 39 tahun ketika saya didampuk menjadi Chief Global Innovation Officer untuk salah satu perusahaan besar di Amerika. The only thing that makes me really proud is not because of what I do. It's mainly because ada orang Indonesia yang bisa nunjukin sama orang Amerika bahwa kita mampu. And I'm so proud I can be one of them. Banyak sekali yang saya pelajari dari masa kecil saya dan masa muda saya yang menjadikan saya seperti saat ini. Satu hal yang ingin saya share dengan teman-teman semua adalah ask yourself, have you differentiate yourself enough with your friends, your peers, and your competitors? Kenapa saya bilang begitu? Karena ketika saya kuliah, my dad always asked me, by the time you graduate, there will be thousands or hundreds of thousands of other graduates dari sarjana, kebetulan saya sarjana ekonomi. Why companies need to hire you? Dan selama saya di UII, saya menempa di dalam kampus dan di luar kampus supaya aktif biar saya memiliki kelebihan dan perbedaan dibandingkan dengan teman-teman yang lain. Alhamdulillah, mentalitas itu saya bawa terus sampai saat ini dan bisa membuat saya berbeda dan unik dari para teman-teman saya di industri yang akhirnya memberikan kesempatan saya untuk memimpin inovasi untuk perusahaan saya saat ini globally. Itulah salah satu advice buat teman-teman semua, dan insya Allah tetap selalu low profile, karena kalau kita low profile dan fokus sama hasil, tetap kompetitif dengan tanpa harus nunjukin kita kompetitif, insya Allah jalannya akan ada. That's a great request, but I'm very happy to share with you guys, especially about some advices buat para mahasiswa yang baru masuk ke universitas, ke UII. Saya akan kasih 3 advice for you. The first one is stay out of your comfort zone. Take some risk. Kita hidup dalam satu small bubble. Whatever bubble you were in before, try to get out of your bubble. Explore the world. Try it. You never know that the water is hot until you actually touch it. Itu adalah saran saya yang pertama, karena itu penting. Ketika kita nanti di dunia pekerjaan, we will ask to do things that you never done it before, and then you're taking risk. You fail, and that's okay to fail as long as you try. The second one is networking. Sometimes we forgot the power of networking. Bukan geng-gengan. I'm not actually suggest to have geng-gengan. It doesn't really matter. Tapi network dengan berbagai macam orang, teman-teman, baik dari satu kelas, satu fakultas, it's important. Pekerjaan saat ini banyak orang itu mendapat pekerjaan dari networking. I myself, I can witness selama saya berkarir hampir 99% itu karena network. Karena orang ada yang pernah kerja dengan saya kasih rekomendasi ke perusahaan berikutnya. Saya hanya bisa meminta teman-teman untuk network as much as you can. Dan yang ketiga, dan yang paling penting, stay humble. We just human. Kita harus ingat bahwa kita nggak selalu yang paling hebat di ruangan. Kita nggak yang paling pintar di ruangan. Bagi teman-teman yang mungkin memiliki rezeki yang lebih baik, memiliki wealth yang lebih baik, it doesn't matter, who cares? Karena ketika kita bekerja, semua equal. Yang akhirnya bisa membawa kita ke atas adalah hasil pekerjaan kita, your result, the way you work, the way you push your boundaries. That's it. That's what's matter. It doesn't matter your father, who is your father, your parents, your family. It doesn't really matter. So stay humble, because if you stay humble, you will bring that humanity even stronger, and that will impact big time for your life and for your career. I hope that's really helpful for you guys. Thank you so much. For this last question, I think the way I'm looking at is simple. Ketika kita di kampus, ketika kita kuliah, it's not only about your grade. Gak cuma masalah nilai di kampus. What's actually most important is your character building. Build who you are. Build the person that you would like to be in the next 10 to 20 years. UII has been successful in creating Indonesian leaders. Banyak yang sudah berhasil di pemerintahan, non-pemerintahan, bahkan sampai ke international level. So in each of you, we have hope. When you can be the next leaders of our country, the next leader of international companies, or even any institutions that create impacts to the society. The only way for you to become the leader is to build your character, your soft skill. It doesn't matter whether you're the smartest in the room, but if you're really a strong leader, you always be a leader. And remember one thing, we want to build the world of peace, the world of diversity, the world of respect to each other. We need more young leaders like you to stand up and to show to the world and to Indonesia people that we can create a better environment for our future generation. Jadi gak cuma masalah kepintaran, tapi yang paling penting adalah juga membangun karakter. Build your character. And I'm very hopeful di angkatan ini, insya Allah kita akan bisa melihat generasi-generasi pemimpin buat bangsa Indonesia dan juga buat internasional. I'm very proud of you. Good luck.